Take off my makeup with me, Dead Santa edition. I actually wasn't going to include the glasses, but I think it makes the look. It looks a lot better, right? But all right, let's take this off. Oh, and little do y'all know that this is all liquid latex, so we're gonna have a really fun time today. First, I would like to see, oh, goodness gracious. Okay, I didn't think it was gonna be that intense already. Hold on. Gotta let my eyes adjust for a minute. Y'all are about to see some fun today. Oh, Lord. Oh, Jesus. Oh, that hurts. It's so close to the eye. Oh my gosh. I would rip it off like a Band-Aid, but no thank you. Maybe I can get this off in one piece. Oh, God, that just looks creepy. I swear I'm not being dramatic. It actually hurts. Still got a few little pieces right here, but that's pretty much it.
Well, hello, what's up, you little freaks? How's it going? Yes, you guessed it, it is time to take this off again. I'm pretty happy with how this turned out, so I'm a little bit sad to be taking it off, but, you know, you gotta do what you gotta do. I think I should start with the glass. Nice. Now the candy cane. Ow, ow, ow. I didn't expect that to hurt as much as it did. Just kidding, I feel nothing. That made my eye water. Okay, fast. Ooh. I know what you're thinking right now. You're thinking, Valeria, this look fits you perfectly. Do not take the beard off. But I am gonna take it off anyways. Gotta do it fast. Ah! That was not fast. Ah! It just doesn't want to come off. Please tell me my eyebrows are still on. Yes! Ah, yes, I did it.
Take this makeup off of me. Yes, this is all makeup. I don't look that old yet, so time to take it off. So I just deleted the part where I removed the wig and the other accessories. But anyway, let's heal this thing up. See. Oh, there we go. Oh.
Well, hello, what's up, you little freaks? Merry Christmas and Happy Holidays! And, well, you know what time it is. Oh yes, it is time to take this off again. I'm gonna start by removing my contacts so I can actually see what I'm doing. Alright, I know this is like the Christmas present gone bad, but the more I look at it, the more I see a shoe because of the laces, so for some reason I feel like a shoe gone bad right now, so let's take it off. Okay, there's only one way to go. I'll be quiet so you guys can enjoy the ASMR. Ow, ow. Okay, well, my eyebrow is still on. That's good. Let's keep going. Didn't feel anything. Didn't hurt at all. I don't know what you're talking about. My eyes were watering so bad, the eyelash just fell off. Alright, now it's time to take the rest of this off. Once again, this is scarier than the original look. Because I just look crazy. But not anymore, because I took it all off, and you guys have an amazing day. Well,
Take off this Grinch makeup with me. So first of all, I can barely breathe and my hands aren't green, they're kind of blue, so don't judge me. So first thing is the fingers. This is grossing me out. They're actually coming off easy. I thought it was going to be like cotton ball-y everywhere. Oh, I still have more. Ooh, that would hurt. Now for the wig and hat. Y'all know these lashes are next. Now for the lovely brows. Ooh. I have eyebrows. That was scary. Okay, now pray for this brow. Oh, I think some hair is in my eye. But I have brows. Now time for this guy. It's already opening up. And this is literally all toilet paper and it's so hard. Ew, that was super easy. This almost looks like a legit prosthetic. Now time for that Juno & Co. I just love the way it smells. Oh, this is gonna be so messy. And it's gonna be a pain in the butt to get out of my ears, let me tell y'all. Literally looking like Shrek over here. Also, I have some really fun and exciting news. I will be moving out of this apartment and getting a 2-bedroom so I can have my own makeup room. And that also means no extra background noise. But yeah, that's pretty much it. I'm gonna go shower, take off.
Alright, it's time to remove this grandma makeup look because I need to get my eye open. Take off her jewelry, the wig. I'm going to try to save this. There's my eye. I can almost see it. Okay, almost got it. Okay. Oh my gosh, my eye needs to adjust. Woo! Oh yeah. Well, that was really satisfying. Scrape this off. I'm running out of time. And end it with a face mask.
Well, hey, what's up, you little freaks? Guess what time it is? Yes, of course, it is time to take this off again. What other time can it be? I've had this on for way too long and all the blood has dried by now. But that will not stop me. I'm so sleep deprived, I have no idea what I'm saying anymore. My head is way too big for this head. What hat? Not head. I really want to start with a nose for some reason. That came off quick. The teeths. Ah, I don't know why I made that noise. Other one. Let's just do the whole smile. Ow. Pain is not real. I personally am tired of feeling pain, so I just decided to not feel it anymore. I really didn't even try on the ears here. Ah, I tried to untangle this, but now it's just stuck. Well,
Take Off My Makeup with Me, Heat Meisner and Snow Meisner edition. My ice crown is made out of hot glue and my other crown is made from zip ties. And my outfit is completely made out of hot glue. I used a lot of hot glue in this video. Also, I'm having to do a voiceover because my other video completely cut out my voice for some reason and I can't get it back. The teardrop stuff on my eyebrows and my neck are completely made out of hot glue, minus the beads. And that was held up by that little string on my waist. Super proud of how that turned out. And my lips. I was super proud of how my lips turned out on the frostbitten side. I worked a long time on those, believe it or not. And here's my micellar cleansing water and pajama pants. Did absolutely nothing for me. I ended up getting really frustrated and taking a shower and going to sleep. And here I am now. So,
Take Off My Makeup with Me, Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer edition. This is probably going to be the most fast makeup removal because I only have some baby rhinestones and then the big piece right there. So y'all know what time it is. Time for them lashes to come off. What time is it? Time to take these earrings off. They already fell off, so easy peasy. And if you want to learn how to make a reindeer antler headpiece, I got you. It's up and go check it out. Probably should have took it off in that last clip. And I'm gonna save the best for last, so let's get into these little baby rhinestones. It's honestly just making a mess. Yeah, so that wasn't very satisfying, but now time for that red nose. One piece, ew. It looks like a little pig nose. Like, I could probably reuse this. Is that weird? And now time for the Clean Tin Cleansing Balm. No makeup wipes in this house. Alright, I hope you all enjoyed this super easy makeup removal. Take off.
Well, hey, what's up, you little freaks? Guess what time it is? Well, yes, of course, it is time to take this off again. It's been so long since I've done a removal video. Also, it's currently 2 a.m. and everyone's asleep, which is why I'm like quiet. Frankly, we reached the time when my desire to sleep is stronger than my desire to keep this makeup on my face. I want to cry about taking this off, but frankly, I don't have any more energy. And now it's time for the bedtime dose of pain. Yup, I love hurting myself for views. I feel like making these icicles definitely took longer than putting them on. But I was smart about this, I used a bald cap. So the majority of the latex is just the one holding the bald cap. It's still gonna hurt. It's okay though, just a quick motion. Never mind. It's stuck. Wow, it looks a lot less cool without my face in it. Can't forget the contact. I'm gonna go shower. Well,
You know what time it is. Take off my makeup with me. Christmas tree edition. Now, I had a lot of fun creating this, but it's also very uncomfortable. I'm gonna start by taking off these very cute lights. I literally got them from Walmart. Like, literally, look at them. And the star. The garland. I feel like I'm literally taking down a Christmas tree. I probably spent a good 3 hours putting these on. Maybe I can get some ASMR out of it. My hair. Oh my god, these ones are gonna hurt. I haven't removed SFX in so long and I don't miss the feeling. My eyes are watering. The neck is always the most painful part. The painful part is over with. My skin looks crazy. But now I get to take off the eyelashes. And now a fan favorite, the Pharmacy Green Clean. I just had to show you guys this. This like feels so good on my skin after abusing it. And now a face halo. This right here is like my favorite makeup removal combo. And now it's not all the way off, but I get to go shower.
let's take this off. Oh! Oh my god, this is so painful. No. I'm going. Well, hey, what's up, you little freaks? You already know what time it is. Yes, it's time to take this monstrosity off of my face. I can't wait. There's just so much going on here, I don't even know where to start. I want to take this massive snowflake off of my face. Ow! It only got a little bit of my hair, it's fine. Let's do a smile. Ah! That didn't hurt at all. Let's do the horn. Ooh. My neck is still covered with latex and I have no idea how to take it off. It's like in patches too. I can't even see it. Ah! Help. It's literally just pulling my neck off. I give up. Hopefully it comes off in the shower. Forgot that little piece there. It came off. Woo! Well,